Hi, good afternoon. Rob Aubrey here. Saturday afternoon, I was going out to get my mail, and in the driveway there was a Yellow Pages sitting there. So I picked it up. It was in a bag, but let's just marvel at how thin they are these days. When I was a kid, they were used as booster seats. If you broke a leg on a couch, you stacked two of them up and held the side of a couch up. I mean, that's how big and thick they were. So anyway, and if you know me and as a real estate broker and agent, I believe in using your sphere of influence as somebody to market to. But and if you're not sure, that's people past clients, things like that. People will send you referrals. So but I got the Yellow Pages, and I was like, I want to show you how to make money with these Yellow Pages, right? Before you think I've lost my mind, just stick with me. That's you'll find this interesting, right? So, there's actually a white page section here. It's got businesses listed alphabetically. But if you go over to the Yellow Pages, right? Your first job there, you need a separate pencil and paper. And so you open it up and you look and say, accountants, what's the job? So then you write down on your paper, say, who do I know that's an accountant? You write them down, right? Then you say to yourself, who do I know that's maybe married to an accountant? Write that name down. Who do I know that maybe works in an accounting firm, right? Who used to be an accountant, who uses an accountant, right? Just write their names down. We'll get to the rest of it later. Then you skip over to the next, find the next um, topic. It's we're not going to look at every accounting firm there. We're just going to look at the headers of the jobs, right? Next one is adoption services. So then you say, who do you know that maybe works at an adoption agency? Write their name down. Who owns one? And how about an attorney that does adoption work? Write their name and number down. Who do you know that's married to an attorney that does that, right? Who do you know that's maybe adopted a baby or a person? It don't even have to be a baby. So who do you know that may be adopted? Write their names down, right? Go through the book. Next one, you got air clean and purify equipment, right? Who do you know in the air conditioning business? Write their name down and just get the list of names. And if you go through this book, skip over a few, you got boilers and repairs, boiler renters. Who else? You got boxes, who do you know? Brake services. Who do you know that's a mechanic? Write their name down. Who do you know married to an accountant? Write their name down. Things like that. So go through this Yellow Page. And if you go through this, there's no reason you couldn't add 150 to 200 people to an SOI marketing list to increase your business, right? And then continue to market to them. I mean, the general rule of thumb. If you market to a database, you can expect to get a 10% return. I'm not saying that 10% of those people are going to move. Some will move and some will refer someone to you. So, and it takes time. It's not going to happen in one mailer or whatever, one mailer. So, but anyway, but the idea is if you go through that Yellow Page, you should be able to build up a really, really good list to market to. Even if you already have, if you don't have one, that's definitely a place to start. But if you already have one, this will help you grow that list. So if you have any thoughts or questions, give me a call. You can always reach me at 801-999-8209. Again, 999-8209. Or you can email me, Rob, R-O-B, at Aubrey.net, Rob at Aubrey, A-U-B-R-E-Y.net. Thanks and make it an awesome day.